What's up guys? London episode 2. Welcome back. अभी लंदन जा रहे हैं to do some late night evening night photography. Lost all the social skills now because of not vlogging and all
stuff.
Yeah, it's okay.
Painful.
I don't know, I'm just making this. I'll see if I can put it out. Just record कर रहा हूँ. Check out the view.
Tomorrow.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is 31st December. तो आप लोग ये vlog of course New Year's के बाद देख रहे हो, तो wishing you all a very very happy New Year's. Hope you have a very blessed year ahead, full of positivity and love and all that. So heading down from a shift today is a long shift. 10 बजे से 5:30 बजे तक. Store will close at 5:30, so आज I guess closing shift में रहूँगा मैं. तो it's going to be a long and tiring day. और then there is no plan for New Year's as such, but let's see what comes up. Let's see. चलो. आज सुबह सुबह बारिश हुई. लास्ट 2 nights were like very humid and गर्म हो रहा था बहुत. तो मेरे को टी शर्ट निकाल के सोना पड़ रहा था विंटर्स में, इमेजिन. बट नेवरदलेस आज सुबह बारिश हो रही थी एंड इट वाज लाइक सच अ कोल्ड, क्या बोलते उसको, कोजी वार्मिंग, कोजी मॉर्निंग्स व्हेन यू डोंट फील लाइक गेटिंग आउट ऑफ योर ब्लैंकेट. इट वाज वन ऑफ दोज डेज, वन ऑफ दोज नाइट्स. कैसे वैसे तो मैंने करके 10 बजे शिफ्ट के लिए आई वोक अप एट 9:20, 9:10, 9:20, गॉट रेडी एंड लेफ्ट. बट या विंटर्स अभी इट्स नॉट मच. आई गेस बाय जैन एंड विंटर्स प्रॉपरली सेट होंगे. दिसंबर इज़ बीन प्लेजेंट सो फार, मतलब नॉट टू कोल्ड. एक ही बार बर्फ़ हुई थी जब नवंबर एंड के अराउंड, आई गेस. या एक साल कितना जल्दी निकल गया ना. आई रिमेंबर लास्ट ईयर आई वाज इन दुबई स्पेंडिंग द न्यू ईयर्स विद माई पेरेंट्स एंड माई फैमिली. मतलब इतना टाइम has been flying really fast for the last 2 years or so. And yeah, last year मैं उसी phase में था कि applying for universities everywhere, waiting for the responses. I guess by this time all my applications were done, and I was just waiting on hearing from what do you say, some university. Last year पता तो था जाना है. I have to I'll be in a new country next year, so that was always the intention. But yeah, it's going really well so far. Say hi to the vlog. I make vlogs on YouTube. So introduce yourself.
So hi, so this is Thiru here. I am working in Subway for past 1.5 years in the Subway. So yeah, hi.
He's also in Brooks.
Yeah, I am from Oxford Brooks University. So my course is over now. It's almost done.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm working in Subway.
Nice. All right. Happy New Year to you guys.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
See you. Bye bye.
See you next year.
See you next year.
2022,
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you.
Sup? Hey there. Send money.
Huh?
Send money.
Is some money transfer. Is not some money transfer.
Get in
ad.
contact with me. We'll figure the money transfer thing. 10 pounds is cool though, you know.
कुछ भी
Each of you will give 10 pounds. I know he has many subscribers. But so
10 pounds into 500.
yeah,
How much
yeah.
is that? 5,000.
It's
That's-
a good amount of money.
And what will you do with that? What will you do with that money?
That's
Survive.
a I mean not really.
Huh?
Survive.
Survive.
Hookers. But yes, survive. No, it's only the perfume.
Okay. Anyways, guys, this is the perks of working at Subway. Today they were taking out. The store is shut for the next 2-3 days. So they're like, we are either throwing out the stuff or you take it home. So I've packed a lot of meat, vegetables, and some tortilla. Breads were over, unluckily, and we've had Subway for the last 2 days now. Even yesterday we had Subway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
I love Subway.
Yeah. Same. We like. It's comfort. Subway is comfort.
I mean it depends.
Like growing up, I had birthday parties at I used to celebrate my birthday at Subway,
Subway, yeah.
because I used to love it so much.
Yeah. What's your earliest memory of Subway?
I don't really have one.
Think,
Really, my
man.
earliest memory was like a few years back. I never really liked Subway. Never really wanted to try it.
Okay.
I eat to survive, not to enjoy. So
Okay.
that's where it differs.
Okay. Cool.
Except if I have to cook food.
Hmm.
I cook for everyone except for myself.
Yeah, and that's you cook well, so
Yeah, but that's not. For, anyway, this should not go on the blog.
what?
This is a very dull topic.
Why not? We're talking about Subway. Like, it might be useful for me. Think about that, no?
Sure.
Yeah. Smart.
That's one way to look at it.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, let's food. Let's go.
Like a lot of meat.
Yeah, there's more below. Like all different kinds of meats. Like this is ham, there's nacho chicken, there's pig in a blanket. That's like some salami, pepperoni. Build your own sub.
Build your own wrap.
DIY Subway. This is like all our sauces combined.
Yeah.
And then we have tortilla wheel, udhar ka, and bread. Addison is making something here.
I don't know what I'm making.
Yeah, something.
Something.
Yeah.
What is that stuff?
It's fine. It's my